Hey everyone, Liz Weiss with Liz's Healthy Table. I got a reader question today, and the question was, how do I make vegetables more appealing to my teenager? So I have 3 tips for you, not just for teens, but really for anyone in your family. My 3 tips are roast, dip, and add beans to your diet. So let's start with roasting. I love to roast vegetables because it brings out their natural sweetness. So maybe you're roasting butternut squash or broccoli florets or cauliflower florets or maybe Brussels sprouts. Toss with olive oil, season with salt and pepper, and look what I've got here. I've got butternut squash. I bought these already pre-diced, and then I'm adding fresh thyme. And if you have kids at home, just give them these little thyme sprigs and have them just pull the leaves right off the stem. And then you've got this delicious butternut squash here. So in the oven this goes at 425, and I set my timer for 12 minutes because I want to pull the veggies out of the oven, give them a quick toss, and then put them back in. And I do that 2 or 3 times until the vegetables are soft, caramelized, and ready to go. Super delicious. All right, dipping. Right here, I've got several dips and several veggies. Kids love dips. I have guacamole, I have hummus, I have tzatziki, and then I have cucumber, carrots, and bell pepper. You can just cut this into strips. Set it out on the table, especially at snack time when your kids are hungry, and you will watch those vegetables disappear in no time. So we've roasted, we've dipped. Let's talk about beans, okay? I love beans. Beans are a vegetable. Who knew, right? They're a great source of protein and fiber and all sorts of important nutrients. Canned beans are convenient, they're versatile, and they are budget friendly. So here's an idea. You take a flour tortilla and then you top it with low-fat shredded cheese, corn kernels, and you can see here these are frozen kernels and I've just thawed them out. That's a vegetable. And then beans. And I love using actually the Bush's beans that already come pre-seasoned for you. So easy. We layer the corn and the beans and the cheese. You can use fresh cilantro if you like cilantro. And then you're going to fold this in half, put that in a skillet with a little bit of olive oil, and then let it cook about 3 to 4 minutes per side. It's going to get nice and crispy. That cheese is gooey. So delicious. So if you'd like more ideas, mealtime tips, recipes, or if you want to listen to my podcast, come by and visit me at lizshealthytable.com.